In this video, we're gonna work on some practice problem for circle with a correlative coefficient of pi. So our first problem is a circle and square shape having an equal size of diameter. Area of circle is 3.5 centimeter less than area of square shape. Calculate the total area of square shape and measure the circumference of circle. Let's draw a circle first. We know diameter is a chord passing through the center of the circle and half of diameter known as radius. Now, let's draw a square shape over the circle which has length of base or length of height is equal to diameter of circle. We can see here area of circle is just less than area of square shape. That means corners area excluding circle remaining in the square shape, which we have 3.5 centimeter. So let's say this corners area is small letter a. We write equation for this corners area. Small letter a is equal to qr square. So we can simplify this equation as r square is equal to small letter a over q, where a is equal to 3.5 centimeter and constant q is approximately 0.85840734641 and so on. Constant q is a correlative coefficient of pi which can be used as an alternative of pi. To know more about q, watch from the first episode please. We already know area of square shape is simply d square and d square is equal to 4 times r square, or d square is equal to 4 multiplied with a over q. In decimal, area of square shape or d square is equal to 16.3092, and this is the result of our first problem. So we find r is equal to square root of small letter a over q, means radius is equal to square root of small letter a over q. And here we have equation for the second problem, where c is equal to r multiplied with 8 minus 2q, where c is circumference of circle and r is radius of circle. In decimal it comes circumference of circle is equal to 12.6871. This equation we can also write with constant pi, where c is equal to 2 pi r. In decimal it comes c is equal to 12.6871, which is just same result of r multiplied with 8 minus 2q, because pi is equal to 4 minus q. Therefore we have 2 pi r is equal to r multiplied with 8 minus 2q. Let's solve another problem from this same diagram. Area of full square shape is 81 centimeter. Calculate the area inside the circle and how much area remaining outside the circle. Here we can see circle and square shape having an equal size of diameter. We have area of square shape or d square is equal to 81 centimeter, or d is equal to square root of 81. We know radius is simply half of diameter. Therefore we write r is equal to square root of 81 over 2, which is equal to 4.5. We have equation for area of square shape or d square is equal to 4 times r square, and 4 times r square is equal to pi r square plus qr square. Now let's write equation for area outside the circle or small letter a. Small letter a is equal to qr square. Therefore we write the value of q multiply with 4.5 square, which is equal to 17.38. Now let's write equation for area inside the circle, or capital letter A is equal to d square minus qr square, or 81 minus 17.38, which is equal to 63.62. We can also write this equation with coefficient pi, where capital letter A is equal to pi r square and small letter a is equal to d square minus pi r square. This video series is publishing the research manuscript of correlative equations for circle geometry, written by myself Anisur Rahman Sohag. Therefore, I would like to request you throw your opinion in the comment section about the concept. After watching, if you think you really have connected with a new concept of circle geometry, then share this video and subscribe the channel for the next episode. Thank you.